Have you ever studied professional athletes on the field? The all-famous Usain Bolt, or Tiger Woods, or Mike Tyson. Have you seen the works of Albert Einstein? Or the father of mathematics, Archimedes? Or Isaac Newton?
What makes all these people unique? What makes the single parent to 3 children rush to work in the morning? The unexplained burst of exuberance, or restlessness, or drive. The question is, what is the fuel?
At Depromat, we call it focus. The ability to concentrate on one thing, shutting out everything else, and in the end, achieve something great. One of the most valuable skills anyone can develop.
Now imagine every day like this. Every day filled with this frenetic energy. Every day filled with breakthroughs, success, new invention, more wins, and the comfort you desire. That's what it's like to partner with Depromat.
Sometimes hearing the words of a famous or successful person is enough to help us accept an idea and put it into action. Henry Ford once said, "Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal."
This is the fuel that drives and propels Depromat. With Depromat's focus, you and your project stand to gain much more. Experience how Depromat enables you to connect the right people, processes, and technology to move quickly and deliver successful projects.
Partner with Depromat, your focused partners in project management and gain.